Oh, God! The onion replaced the TV, Tex. Is it me or am I smelling onions? Yes, Dee. It does smell like onions. Oh no, I'm about to cry. Us too. Is it me or I'm getting water in my eyes? Don't worry, White Square. Just don't smell the onion. Too late, Q. I'm about to cry. Oh, don't cry. The onion's making everybody cry. You feel like you wanna cry, but okay, sis. Don't be sad.
Never going to be gonna die.
Ah! I cry like Snoopy. Ah!
I want my mommy.
Oh no! Here comes the hero. I'm about to cry. What, dude? Stop crying, or else you're going to.
Thousands of tears later.
Everybody cried so much the studio is flooded. It will take hours to get the water out. After that, we'll do the next take.